Hi, hello, Namaskara. Welcome to Kannada Quick Bites. This is Bite 3. Let's learn object pronouns in Kannada. This is part 1 of that. How do you build Kannada sentences and examples? That's what you learn in this video. If you want to say to me in Kannada or to you in Kannada or to us, let's see how to frame these sentences and use that in your daily conversation. Stay tuned. And don't forget to surprise your friends with your Kannada knowledge. So whether you want to use the word to me, the word in Kannada is nanage, nanage. Example, you want to say I understood. It is in Kannada nanage artha aitu. Nanage artha means meaning, aitu it happened. So I understood. Nanage artha aitu. Or let's say I'm hungry. How do you say that? Nanage, to me, nanage hasivu agide. Hasivu. Nanage hasivu agide. Repeat after me. Nanage artha aitu. Nanage artha aitu. Next one. Nanage hasivu agide. Nanage hasivu agide. Let's make your understanding perfect with some more examples of the word nanage. I remembered. Nanage nenapu bantu. Nanage nenapu bantu. Nanage, you can repeat after me. Nanage nenapu bantu. Nanage nenapu bantu. Nanage nenapu bantu means I remembered. Next one. Give it to me. Nanage kodu. So repeat after me. Nanage kodu. Nanage kodu. Nanage kodu means give. So here nenapu means memory or remembering something. Bantu means it came. So nanage nenapu bantu means I remembered that. Give it to me means nanage kodu. Kodu means give to me. Nanage kodu. How do you say in Kannada to you? To you. Ninage. Remember, ninage is without respect. It's a singular usage with anybody younger to you or of same age or with friends. Ninage. Example, you got a letter. Ninage patra bandide. Ninage patra means letter. Bandide means it has arrived. Ninage patra bandide. Ninage patra bandide. Or you can even say ninage letter bandide. Ninage letter bandide. Ninage email bandide. Ninage post bandide. Bandide means it has arrived. Ninage means to you. So repeat after me. Ninage patra bandide. Next example, do you know how to sing? You want to casually interact with somebody and then ask whether the person knows how to sing. You can say Ninage hadalu barutta. Hadalu means to sing. Barutta means do you know. Ninage hadalu barutta. Can you repeat after me? Ninage hadalu barutta. Let's learn some more examples of ninage. Did you get promotion? Ninage promotion sikkita. Sikkita means did you get. Promotion, also called in Kannada, is badti. Ninage badti sikkita or ninage promotion sikkita. Can you repeat? Ninage promotion sikkita. Sikkita. Yes. And if you move on to the next example, do you know cooking? Ninage aduge madalu barutta. Aduge is cooking. Madalu means to do something. Barutta means do you know. Ninage aduge madalu barutta. ನಿನಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನಿನಗೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನಿನಗೆ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆಬಾತ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನಿನಗೆ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? So you can use it by filling anything that you want to ask, or whether you know that. ನಿನಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Let's say you met somebody elder to you, or somebody new, just a neighbor. You don't know them. You want to address them with respect. You can say nimage to you. So ninage is for singular, and nimage is plural with respect. You can say nimage. Either with respect or many people are there, you can ask nimage. What shall I give you? Nimage ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿ? ಏನು means what, ಕೊಡಲಿ means to give. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿ? Repeat after me. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿ? ಕೊಡಲಿ. I give you. ಕೊಡಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿ? What shall I give you? You can say, shall I serve you coffee, or shall I give you coffee? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? Very simple. We can start using this. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? Or ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? ನೀರು is water. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? So you meet somebody, or you go to some house and you want to say, we are very thirsty. You can say ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. Means ನಮಗೆ is to us. You're trying to use to us. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ means a lot. ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ means thirsty. ಆಗಿದೆ means it happened. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. So this is a usage of ನಮಗೆ, that is meaning to us. So we have holiday today. ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. Or you can just say ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ. ನಮಗೆ means to us. ಇವತ್ತು is today. ಇವತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು is today. Or ನಾಳೆ. ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow. ನಮಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಥವಾ ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. So repeat after me. ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. So some more examples of ನಮಗೆ. We feel very happy. ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಂತೋಷ is happy. ಆಯಿತು means it happened. ನಮಗೆ, that 2-3 of you, or your family or friends, or whoever, you want to say ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. So we feel very happy. Repeat after me. ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. Or ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. So let's move on. We know how to cook. So you're confirming, somebody asks you and then you're confirming that yes, I know how to cook. Or you know that you and your friend, or you and your wife, so you want to say that we know how to cook. You can say ನಮಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you remember when there was a question of barutta, that means they're asking you, you can confirm it by saying barutte. Either you can say ನನಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, means to you, or you and your family, or you and your friend know how to cook. You can confirm by saying ನಮಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡುಗೆ is cooking, ಮಾಡಲು means to do. Repeat after me. ನಮಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Friends, hope you learned object pronouns quickly in this video. Here is a question of the day. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ. So you are confirming something and then you are asking back. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ. Tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box below. Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Please like and subscribe. You can check out more and more videos. The links are given below in the description. It is youtube.com/c/Kannada Magic. Thanks for all your support.